Does your neck feel tight? Maybe your back or hips need a little love? This routine is designed to unlock tension, boost your energy, and prepare you for anything. Welcome to your 5-minute stretch session. Let's shake off that morning stiffness and awaken our bodies with an energizing stretch routine. You've taken the first step to owning your day, and that's amazing. All you need is a comfy spot and a willingness to feel great. No equipment necessary, just your body and a positive mindset. We're starting with gentle neck tilts, flowing through dynamic movements like child's pose into cobra, and ending with a soothing butterfly stretch. By the end, I promise you feel flexible, energized, and ready to conquer your day. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a simple but powerful stretch for the neck. It's amazing how much tension we hold here without realizing it. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Slowly tilt your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch helps release tension built up from sleeping or working at a desk, giving you a sense of relaxation and clarity. Beginners, keep the tilt gentle and avoid overextending. Advanced, place your opposite hand lightly on your head for a deeper stretch. Great start, fam. Now, let's wake up the spine and hips with a dynamic flow. This flowing movement is like a morning massage for your spine. Begin in child's pose, sitting your hips back on your heels and stretching your arms forward. Inhale as you flow forward into Cobra Stretch, lowering your hips and lifting your chest. Exhale as you return to child's pose. Repeat this motion for 1 minute. This stretch loosens the lower back, opens the chest, and gets your blood flowing, setting the tone for the day. Beginners, keep the cobra gentle with a slight lift in the chest. Advanced, deepen the cobra by straightening your arms and lifting your chin higher. Now that your spine is warmed up, let's stretch the whole body with downward dog. This classic stretch is perfect for targeting your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders all at once. From Cobra, lift your hips into the air, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your hands and feet grounded and press your heels toward the floor. Relax your neck and let your head hang freely, breathing deeply. Downward dog lengthens the spine, stretches the back of your legs, and energizes the entire body. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees if your hamstrings feel tight. Advanced, walk your hands or feet closer for a deeper stretch. Your body should feel open by now. Let's flow into a gentle standing forward fold to keep the momentum. Let's release tension in the lower back and hamstrings with this calming forward fold. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale as you reach up and exhale as you fold forward, hinging at your hips. Let your hands hang toward the floor or rest them on your shins and relax your neck. This stretch promotes blood flow to the brain, releases lower back tension, and gently stretches your hamstrings. Beginners, bend your knees slightly for comfort. Advanced, reach your hands closer to the floor or wrap them around your calves. Now, let's finish with a soothing butterfly stretch to open up the hips and bring it all together. We're ending with a grounding stretch to relax the hips and inner thighs. Sit on the mat and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open. Hold your feet with your hands and sit tall. Gently press your knees toward the ground for a deeper stretch. The butterfly stretch relieves hip tension and promotes flexibility in the lower body, leaving you feeling relaxed and centered. Beginners sit on a cushion if it's hard to sit tall. Advanced, lean slightly forward while keeping your back straight for a deeper stretch. If you sit at a desk all day and want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take control of your health without leaving your desk, check out the free gift I have for you in the description. Trust me, you'll want to grab it. Fam, you did it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.